Bango, Nsube, Buenge, and they are all here. Another thing I want to tell you, Dagy took over my genes. You know why? He took over my genes. I used to have a club in Enjinja called Tilapia Resort Beach. And I used to be the DJ, myself, and the MC. And then when I was in the US, the 10 years I told you, 14, I used to have a small bar where Ugandans came and danced. Thank you, thank you. And my other son, Brian and Jonah, they used to have a bar in Kampala called Laughters, you know it? Brian is my first son, he's here. Brian, wait. It's there. So this thing runs in the gene. It's in our blood. So I don't want to bore you. I want to thank you so much for turning up. Dagy, thank you for making me proud. I didn't know I would ever be on a stage like this. Me, myself, I'm a modern father. I'm a modern dad. I do things with my children. I like dancing, I like going out, I like swimming, I like sauna, I like steam. Whatever you do, I love. Thank you.
Daddy, 1 minute. This Musisi has a gift for you. This one reads from Enjinja. Originally Enjinja. Abedinda muliwa. This one is from this Musisi. Olimwana wa Idinda originally.
Yeah. DJ. I want to sing something and you follow me. Will you follow? Okay, I'm singing you one Soga song. One Soga song. Will you follow? Will you follow? DJ, follow me. Bana tusangaire, bagere tusangaire, dokuba tusangaire, bagere tusangaire, dokuba abagere baisu, bagere tusangaire, dokuba abagere baisu, bagere tusangaire, 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 bagere tusangaire. Thank you.
Make some noise for my dad in the building tonight. Make some noise for my dad in the building tonight. And now listen, before I officially sign out, I want a special thank you to my sponsors of the night, Pepsi Cola, Airtel, Bell Lager, Spot TV, my family from NTV. And then of course I want to say thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for believing in me. Nexus Lounge and Nexus Events, I want to say thank you so much. Optimum, I want to say thank you so much. To my fathers of the industry, JK Kazora, I see you. I want to say thank you so much. I am who I am today because of J Kazora, this man right here. J Kazora, Yante Kapulore, Nemfuka MC. And before I knew it, I am standing on stage right now. J Kazora, I'll forever give you my flowers. MC Cuts, you welcome me in the business. I want to say thank you so much for every little bit that you did for me. Brian Isubikalu, you gave me a platform. Laughters. Brian! And the Brian wants us to be at wants us to sing. So, Brian in Chakuwaja Sentezag, wapanga beer na minute. Brian Isubikalu, wapanga beer na minute. Nembela kumuzinda lopaka emu ya kumacha. Nosa sulira swimming pool yo park. Brian, tugenda kubala ebitabo. Brian Sobekalu. I want to say